Guys, in today's video, we're going to talk about a secret credit union that no one is talking about. You can get up to 150,000 on a personal loan. You get 50,000 on credit cards. Actually, there's two credit cards that can get 50 each, or one credit card that can get $100,000. Yes, you heard that right. $100,000 on one credit card. They also have lines of credit up to 25,000. We're going to get right into it. All right. So we are at the UNFCU website. It's United Nations Federal Credit Union. It's a hidden gem. Anybody can join this credit union. I'm going to talk about that in a second, how to join, but let's go over their products right away. So if you go to borrow, you can go to loans, but you can just go right here where it says explore our loan options. They have personal loans that go up to 150,000. Here it is. It says unsecured personal loan, borrow up to 150,000 without needing collateral. What that tells me, right then and there, that usually they're probably a little bit more lenient with their lending if they say without needing collateral or documentation. Does that mean that they won't ask you for docs? No, it just means that they're, based on that wording, they're more lenient because they wouldn't put that without needing collateral. Obviously, if you go up to 150,000, your credit report has to show a low DTI. Your income has to reflect that you're able to manage that. And then it says receive up to 50,000 directly. Receive a decision from our team in as little as 4 days. And then this is really, really great. It says enjoy fixed rate as low as 8.95% APR. That's amazing in today's high rate climate. 8.9, let's just call it 9% on a personal loan. That's amazing. Most personal loans are 14, 15, 16, 18%. If you have low credit score, I've seen it up to 24, 29%. So that's one thing that you can do. Goes up to 150,000. Then they also have a secured deposit loan. This is just to build credit, kind of like a pledge loan. If you have at least 500 in savings or a share certificate account, you're welcome to apply. You can borrow up to 150,000 of the amount in your UNFCU savings and shared account. The balance will be used as collateral, and they have a line of credit up to 25,000. Automatically protect your checking account from overdrafts. You can replenish your line of credit with every payment. So what that means is let's just say you get the 25,000 max, right? Navy Federal, I don't even think they do this anymore. They don't provide the PLOCs, personal lines of credit. So how a line of credit works is you only pay interest and principal on the amount that you use. So if you get 25,000 and you only use 5,000, then you pay that 5,000. You can reuse that again. It's revolving, right? So it's infinite. It never runs out. All right. So they have the personal loan. You could do basically the pledge loan, and then they have a line of credit. So they 150K on the personal loan, and then we're going to get into the credit cards in 1 second. Give me 1 second. Let's go back to the main screen. Then let's look at their credit cards, right? They don't publicly say it, right? They don't publicly say it, just like Navy Federal doesn't say, but these are the data points that I've looked up online. Shout out to Mike, the credit guy. This is how I find out about this credit union. So this one, the elite, actually goes up to $100,000. Let me say that again. It goes up to $100,000. So this is better than Navy Federal because the Navy Federal card goes up to $80,000. So this is beating it by $20,000. All right. And it's 0% interest for the first 6 months. So you pay zero interest on the first 6 months. So you can borrow 50,000 and pay zero interest. Actually, it goes up to 100,000. I'm sorry. The elite goes up to 100,000. And you can get both cards at the same time. So that tells me that the threshold is 100,000 across the board, right? It can be 100,000 on one card or 50,000 on each card. Does that mean you're going to get that? You have to have an amazing credit profile to get that. You have to build this relationship. Credit unions are really heavily based. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification. That way you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, smash that like button. Smash that like button. It really does help with the algorithm. Let me know in the comments if this is your first time here so I can welcome you to the family. So, again, the elite goes all the way up to 100,000. You're paying zero interest on the first 6 months, and you get 10,000 bonus points. And then the Azure, is 0% for 12 months, which is amazing. Again, up to 50,000. You get up to 3x points, no foreign transactions. These are pretty common stuff. And they will be pulling Experian. Let me say that again. They're going to be pulling your Experian. You can't double dip. So it will be a hard pull, and you can't double dip with this product. To join this, you have to join the association. It says it right here. Members who meet the following criteria are eligible to apply for the where is it? This is not it, actually. I'm sorry. Here. To join, apply for membership. Okay, this is where you would apply today. You just have to pay the $50. So you start I'm not going to go through the whole application, but you join the United Nations Associations of America. You pay $50 to join this credit union. And again, they have amazing benefits. Line of credit up to $25,000. So theoretically, you can get $150,000. You get $100,000 from the credit cards. You get $25,000 from the line of credit. How much is that? That's $250,000. That's $275,000. Okay. Now it's going to be a hard pull for everyone. Now, obviously, it's very unlikely you're going to get a pull for all those products, but theoretically, they offer big lines of credit and big personal loans. So this is amazing credit union, underrated. If you're looking for funding on the personal side, you can go with this particular credit union, but you have to make sure that you be strategic. You have to build that relationship, make deposits, get some products, maybe the pledge loan, maybe start making deposits from your employer or do the pledge loan. You want to start building a relationship, start making some deposits, and wait a little bit before you apply for these products, because then they can see some activity in the account and it shows them that you are a long-term customer, not someone who's just trying to get $50K and then leave and never come back, right? So again, let me know in the comments if you heard about this credit union. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button. That's my time. My name is Toby Rosario. Peace.